Hi guys and welcome to the channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you the 9 best YouTube automation niches that are just right for you. Keep watching this video until the end because I will show you every niche creation process and how you can adopt that for your own channel. These niches have the highest CPM and you can start a cash cow channel right away with any of these niches. Before we get into the content, please consider subscribing to the channel and turning on the notification button so you do not miss any future videos. Okay, straight into it. Vlogging is by far one of the easiest ways to jumpstart your YouTube journey. You just need something to record your videos such as a mobile phone and shoot some of the bits of your day you think people will find interesting and interact with the camera as if you were explaining things to a friend. You can share your thoughts, opinions, new visits, events and just open up and showcase your life to the rest of the world. An unboxing video is a recording of yourself opening items for the first time. Unboxing videos are wildly popular on YouTube. Unboxing videos originally focused on fashion or high-tech products. Today, the competition to unbox top-tech gadgets, such as the latest iPhones or gaming consoles, is fierce. Other types of unboxing videos have begun surging in popularity, such as toys, outdoor gear, luxury goods, food, beauty products and more. You can take inspiration for your content ideas and video script from one of the many unboxing channels on YouTube. Some channels have millions of subscribers and thousands of unboxing videos. There's no limit to the content ideas you'll get. The gaming industry is one of the biggest industries in the world and on YouTube as well. There are tons of gamers streaming live and creating entertaining content for their audience. If you're a fan of this type of content, you might be thinking about what it would take to create your own gaming YouTube videos. You'll find that, if you truly have an interest in gaming, it doesn't take much to put this kind of content out there. Having a computer and your favorite games is all you really need to make a basic gaming video. When you need to learn something new, what do? You probably look for a video. And you're not alone. Research shows that when people look for answers to their questions, they prefer to consult a video. In fact, 83% of people prefer watching videos to accessing instructional or informational content via text or audio. Regardless of your industry, if you're serious about teaching others, growing your business, or building an online course, instructional videos are the best delivery method. Cooking videos frequently take the internet by storm. People love learning new recipes and cooking hacks or just watching visually appealing cooking content. With some good filming techniques and excellent editing skills, you'll be able to join one of the most popular and growing internet trends. You can take inspiration from some of the popular cooking channels for your content. Just do a search for your favorite chef and see what type of content they are putting on YouTube and then start thinking about the type of channel you will make. Traveling is one of the most interesting and exciting niches for any content creator on YouTube. It helps you cater to all the travel enthusiasts and adventurers on YouTube. If you have a business associated with the traveling industry, having a travel channel will help you attract your target audience. You can also collaborate with other travelers or create your traveling content on YouTube. If you have some products you want to sell, use them during your traveling videos to make the viewer aware. Let us know in the comments your favorite travel destinations. Only a few in the world can capture moments in the most artistic form. You can be one of those creators. If you have a business focused towards the photography or videography industry, you have the option to use your skills or product while creating YouTube content. You don't even need a professional camera to start. Most mobile phones these days can take amazing quality photos and videos which will be good enough to get you started. The fitness industry is on the verge of saturation. YouTube provides a perfect platform for businesses to stand apart from the rest and gain future customers from creating fitness-oriented content. If your business is related to the fitness world, you should start a fitness channel. Hire a trainer for all the content creation, or do it yourself. It will help you content with the audience easily and leave a great impact on their minds. Some fitness YouTubers have created their brand on YouTube and now has millions of subscribers and tons of business opportunities knocking on their doorsteps. You could follow in their footsteps too. The makeup industry has been on the rise for a decade or so. But because of that, the competition is also rising. If your business is associated with the same industry, creating a makeup channel will help you boost your business growth. You can use your wide range of products on your channel or even associate with an influencer to try out your product range. If you are into the service business, you can showcase your talent on YouTube by making how-to videos, and it will turn out to be a great YouTube channel idea to make money and grow your business. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what type of channel you will be starting.